Company with 55% market share in India, good clientele, and strong order book. Time Technoplast Ltd, a polymer and composite products manufacturer. Company has over 35 years of experience in manufacturing drums and containers, HDPE pipes, composite air tank, MOX films, and many other products. They are the market leader in industrial packaging with 55% market share and are the second largest MOX film manufacturer in India. These products are used in diverse industries for various applications. About 31% of the revenue is generated from the specialty chemicals segment, 29% from FMCG, 13% from construction, and 27% from other segments. The company was incorporated in 1989 and got public in 2007. They are based in Mumbai with more than 2,380 employees and 3,900 workers. Company has 40 manufacturing units across the globe, 20 are located in India. A new greenfield manufacturing project is expected to be completed by fiscal year 2026 through one of its subsidiaries. The market cap of the company is 10,988 crore rupees and currently trading at 484 rupees per share. The company has a 18% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 43% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company has 9 subsidiaries in India, UAE, Czech Republic, Mauritius, and Singapore. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. However, company is planning to raise rupees 1,000 crores from qualified institutional buyers, which may decrease promoters' holding in the future. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. Public holding is dropping, indicating that foreign and domestic investors are buying from the public. The company is giving good dividends every year. A dividend of 2 rupees per share was paid in fiscal year 2024. Company exports to 60 countries, with revenue concentration of 94% from domestic and 6% from exports. Some clients of the company are Aditya Birla, Ashok Leyland, Bharat Petroleum, Pidilite, GE, Shell, Tata Chemicals, Larsen & Toubro, Subak, and more. With a strong order book of rupees 175 crores for PE pipes and rupees 185 crores for different types of cylinders. To meet this growing demand, company aims to allocate a capex of rupees 150 crores in fiscal year 2025. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.